Welcome to part 7 of our .NET Movie series. Today, we will connect your movie app to live REST APIs and show how to display real-time remote data. REST APIs power most modern apps. By calling APIs from your movie app, you can show live data and interact with backend systems. HTTP client is the tool of choice for communicating with the web APIs. It's built into .NET and fully supported in Movie. For this demo, we will use a free API called JSON placeholder. It simulates real user data for learning and prototyping. Create a model class that matches the JSON structure of the API response. This helps deserialize the result properly. This service uses HTTP client to fetch data from the API and converts it into a list of user objects using JSON serialization. The view model fetches the data and updates an observable collection so that the UI reflects the latest values. The UI uses collection view to display users fetched from the API. Each item shows the name and email address. Use onAppearing to call the API when the page opens. This ensures the data is always fresh and up to date. Always add error handling to manage network issues, API errors, or invalid responses gracefully. Improve UX with loading indicators. Show a spinner while the API call is in progress and hide it after the data loads. Let us run the project, fetching user data, showing it in a list, and displaying a load animation during API calls. Next up, we will build a login screen and securely call APIs with token authentication. Thanks for joining. Subscribe and like to keep learning. Thanks for joining. Subscribe and like to keep learning.